Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here again, and nandito na naman tayo sa aking kusina. And for those who's new here, hi! Thank you for tuning in today and welcome. By the way, my name is Maricel. Nice to meet you. So in today's recipe, we are going to remake my own tiramisu recipe. If you do remember, last time I made it several months ago, and that is just a plain one, and I decided to recreate it, and then this time we'll be doing the classic one, which is the authentic tiramisu, meaning there will be a touch of liquor in it, and I'll be using an espresso this time. It's not only just a brewed coffee. So if you wanna learn how I make it, tara samahan niyo ako magluto. So here's all our ingredients. We do need 1 1/2 cup of hot water in here. Not really hot water, but warm water. And this is the espresso. I'm gonna be using an instant one. Any brand will do. So we do need 4 eggs in here, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional. And we do need mascarpone cheese. I use 8.8 ounce of this. This is 250 grams. Any brand will do as well. We do need a liquor. I'm gonna be using Bacardi, but you can use Marsala or Amaretto. It's up to you. And we do need a heavy whipping cream, and we'll be using a 200 grams of ladyfingers. But if you want a larger amount, you can always double up the ingredients. Okay, am I forgetting anything? I think that's it, and let's get started. So right now I have a simmering hot water in here in the pot. So let's pasteurize this custard. We're probably gonna be continuously whisking this for like 7 to 8 minutes. You just have to make sure that the bowl is not touching in the simmering hot water, otherwise it's gonna overcook. So let's set an alarm for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Alright guys, so I constantly do the whisking for 8 minutes. You will know that it's ready because the texture is slightly thickened and a little lighter. So like this. Alright guys, so this is the texture right now, as you could see right there. So to help cool it down, I decided to just add like just one tablespoon of milk. And just whisk it. And let's set this aside and let's work on with our mascarpone cheese. Alright guys, so right now let's mix this custard cream into our mascarpone cheese. And then let's mix them all up together until it's well combined. So like that, and now let's work on with our heavy whipping cream. Create a medium peak. So let's use 1 1/2 cup. So the key here, mga loves, you don't want to be overbeat your whipping cream, otherwise your tiramisu will be grainy. So alright mga loves, so this is the consistency that you want to achieve. You see, I think I beat it for like about 4 minutes. And then let's mix this into our mascarpone cheese with the custard. Alright, so let's combine these two mixture now. Let's start off with half of this. Let's mix and fold. Alright guys, let's finish the fun part. So here's our mixture. It's all done. Let's just go ahead, do the layering now. If you remember last time, I almost got shortage of the cream, so I am going to just add that amount first. Alright guys, so there's no shortage this time. There you go. So now we are going to cover this with a plastic wrap very tightly, and we're going to wait at least 6 to 8 hours with this. But since it's already late here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this overnight. Alright, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Hi loves, it's another day. Happy weekend. So now we are going to check on our tiramisu. Ta-da! Here it is. Alright mga loves, so here's our tiramisu. And of course, the last but not the least is to use a cocoa powder. So a good quality of a cocoa powder that you're gonna be using is a lot better. So I am using a Hershey's cocoa, so but whatever your preference. Okay, so let's do das a decent amount of cocoa powder. Oh, you know what, I've changed my mind. I know I did it last time, and you know, actually 4 times. So I am going to slice it first and get some 1 piece in there, and then we're gonna dust the cocoa powder. Alright love, so before we do our taste test, and before I end this video, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you and shout out to Inski Babo. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. I am so honored and grateful that you joined my membership, and you are the first one. Yay! I am so happy to know, and so I would like to shout out to you, and you guys would like to visit her YouTube channel. Her account is very awesome. It's all about her adventure travel. She do travel. If you love cooking like me, she do a little cooking as well, and she do have a ability to do gardening. So she's a lucky one. She have a green thumb. So if you would like to check her out and subscribe on her channel, would sure appreciate that. And then, okay, so let's jump to our taste. Alright, loves, so it's taste test. Here we go. Let's see. It's really soft. It's just melt right into my mouth. It is so good. I'm sorry, excuse me. So the coffee, the liquor, plus the combination flavor of the cocoa together, it's fantastic. It's really, really good. And the mascarpone cheese, the custard mascarpone cheese, it is so yummy. I mean, with alcohol and without alcohol, mga loves, it's still the same, but it is just so good. This is the kind of dessert that I like. Not so much sweetness in it, but you're still enjoying it. So I'm gonna finish this off the camera. I'm sorry, my mouth is full. I hope you're gonna give this a try at home and you won't regret trying it, and it's so delicious. So I hope you learned from this video today, and if you do like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and like if you're new here, and press the bell button so you'll be notified each time if I have a new upload. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.